Today we're going to be taking a look at this solar lantern planter. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo this for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have the lamp that has a light bulb installed. You have a spare light bulb should this one ever go out, the instruction manual, you have the mounting hardware, the decorative pole pieces, and then the basket for your flowers. Before you use this, you do have to take the top off, and it just twists off. Okay, so you just twist this top off, and you have to turn it on using that switch right there. You're going to put these two pieces together like this, and then we're going to use a screw that's in the package. The little screw goes here, and you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. The long screw goes here and attaches the light to the pole. Then you can put your little finial on the top here. And your other little finial goes right on top here. This has 4 solar panels on the top of it. They also give you this sticker so you know exactly where to put the screws for your 3 little hook mounting brackets. One of the hooks goes here, one here, and then one at the top. I did have to use a rubber mallet on this piece to get it to go into the base, but it went in pretty easy with just a couple of taps of a rubber mallet. I couldn't get it to go in by hand. We're framing the tiny house soon, so eventually it's gonna go over to the tiny house, but it is so cute. I will show you what it looks like at night once it comes on. This is so cute. I love it so much. I would definitely recommend buying 2 of these because I want to put these on either side of our door on the tiny house. So if you're looking into having this little planter solar light, 1 is great, 2 is better.